lamang ng balita na may bago na lamang larong kagigiliwan ng ating mamamayan. Ito ay ang Bull's Eye Aim It High. Your mission? Race against the clock with each toss of the eye. Your challenge? Aim directly at the target while answering on-the-spot questions correctly.
In just 5 thrilling minutes, across 4 levels of increasing difficulty, see how far can you harness your attention, memory, and visual perceptions. Remember that there's no room for game farts in this game, so beware with the ads be ever in your favor.
Objectives. First is to assess how well the players divide their attention. Second is to test the vocabulary and arithmetic skills. And lastly is to analyze the distance of target through depth perception.
Maglalagay ng eye patch ang players. Ito ay ilalagay na sa kaparehas na side na gagamitin niyang kamay sa pagbato ng Velcro ball. Siya ay tatanungin ng set of questions mula sa level 1 hanggang sa level 4. Ito ay may katumbas na puntos bago mag-proceed sa next level. Siya ay tatanghaling panalo kapag naabot niya ang 250 points bago pa man matapos ang oras na ibibigay sa kanya.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, 5 minutes on the clock. Your timer will start now. What is S long P?
SIP,
What is 8 plus 9?
70,
What is a synonym for sad?
lonely,
What is 10 times 2?
20.
Ating mga saksihan ang pagwawagi ng isa nating manlalaro. Ngunit ano nga ba talaga ang meron sa Bull's Eye Aim It High para maraming mamamayan ang mahumaling dito? Simple lang ang sagot dyan. Ang mga benepisyong hatid nito sa ating isipan. This game is mainly related to visual perception, specifically monocular view, kung saan isang mata lang ang ginagamit. Ang visual perception ay ang kakayahan natin upang bigyang kahulugan ang mga nakikita natin sa ating paligid. Kasama na riyan ang kanilang size at distance mula sa atin. Furthermore, the game challenges the ability of the players to pay attention to two things at the same time. Meaning, their attention will be divided dahil kailangan nilang masagot ang mga tanong habang binabato ang ating target. At bilang isa sa main functions ng ating attention, nagagawa nating maproseso ang dalawang magkaibang information simultaneously sa pamamagitan ng ating divided attention. Dahil dito ay nai-improve ang ating cognition at multitasking abilities. Lastly, the player's thinking and language skills will be tested when playing this game because it includes both vocabulary and mathematical questions. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Come and join us to have a chance to flaunt your math technique and unvocabulary brain as an eye-catching target awaits. Truly a 10 out of 10 game.